as I told ki in the year 2022 when my mother-in-law passed away, it was a very tough time for me, literally.
Correct.
And then ad came in my life on the Facebook of Pooja Puneet.
Mm.
Told it again, again. And in the third attempt, I registered for the master class. बहुत ज़्यादा मैं खुद डिप्रेस्ड थी. मैं मास्टर क्लास करती इससे पहले my father-in-law was detected with the arteries, 3 of the arteries blocked 99%. And उनकी bypass surgery हुई.
Mm.
और अभी मुझे लगा था कि चलो I'm about to get something. Then again that thing came. It was emergency में सब कुछ हुआ and for 1 month I have to take care of him.
Mm.
Then after that, Namrata Bharadwaj was the big sister in that
Mm.
program. She was the person, she didn't give up on me. For the 2 months she kept on calling. मैंने कहा अभी ये चल रहा है, अभी वो चल रहा है. And one day when she called me up, I was literally pissed off. And I said, and she asked me to do deep breathing from left nostril. I
Mm.
did that and I felt relaxed. Then I thought कि the community member, if she has such kind of knowledge and she
Mm.
can मतलब मेरे पे इतना असर कर सकता है इस चीज में, तो
Mm.
फिर मेंटर का क्या
Correct.
होगा?
Correct.
Then in December, I joined for the Awakening program.
Mm.
I did also. And then I went ahead for the enlightenment. For that, I have
Mm.
to take a pause क्योंकि अब इतना हो गया था कि now I was feeling happy. I was feeling happy, relieved, and थोड़ा सा अच्छा लग रहा था मुझे. Then my husband asked me to think upon it. We were going on a
Mm.
vacation for the
Mm.
10 days abroad. Then he said कि take your time. हरी में नहीं करो, ऐसे ही नहीं है. I took that time for 10 days. And he said me, the soon we will come back, you tell me कि I'm ready, I'm gonna pay for
हाँ.
it. But take your time.
Mm.
And those 10 days in Vietnam, I was only praying to God, I have to go for the enlightenment. अवेकनिंग में जो मुझे वो रोशनी मिली थी, जो मुझे करेज और जो मुझे एक एक जॉय मिला था और एक
Mm.
ग्राउंड मिला था, वो मैं समझ
Correct.
चुकी थी. Then I did enlightenment. It was the 3 months
Mm.
program. From there, my healing started because every week we used to cover one goddess
Mm.
and a lot of release work was there. So many
Mm.
sheets, accountability meets up, breakout rooms, and each and
Mm.
everything. So ऐसे
Correct.
ही healing हुआ. I have done. वही मैंने accountability partner choose किया 5 a.m.
Mm.
in the morning.
Mm.
Then I went for the retreat in Chennai. No, sorry, I didn't went. I
Mm.
couldn't go. But
Mm.
I came to know about coaching certification program. Again, I
Mm.
contacted to Namrata Bharadwaj. I asked,
Mm.
and she said कि whatever you feel like, put your hand on your heart and say, ask me क्या चाहता है. I said no. I just want to go ahead
Mm.
because I'm the eldest in my family, eldest daughter.
Mm.
बहुत सारे लोग
Right.
हैं, and I'm always there helping. Coach
Mm.
feeling मेरे अंदर वो चीज है. Then I asked my husband, and he said कि again a course. मैंने कहा yes again a course. Then again, I have to cross one challenge.
Right.
I did that superficially. He paid for that. And I entered coaching. And my confidence boost up when in one practice I have to take the chapter of limiting belief. And I have to
Mm.
make my one of the friend practice.
Right.
And the feedback she gave me, I never knew that I can do so well.
बिल्कुल.
And Pooja Puneet was the mentor. मतलब एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी वाला उन्होंने मेरे को वो मैं
Mm.
हमेशा सोल टू सोल मैं ये उनसे वो करती हूँ
हाँ.
करके. लास्ट
हाँ.
नाइट आल्सो सडनली शी केम इन माय थॉट्स. आई कुड सी
Mm.
हर एंड आई सेड कि शी इज ब्लेसिंग मी.
हाँ.
तो एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी बिकॉज़ शी
Mm.
understood what am I going through and what my story is and what I make my pain points and everything.
Mm.
I used to raise my hand in every session. If I was known Tripti Agarwal, she will be there asking. And she has been helping me, teaching me,
Right.
and giving me immense love, which I was looking for.
Mm.
Self love क्या होता है मैंने वहां से जाना.
Right.
Then I went for the retreat. There
Mm.
I decided for super specialization कि
Mm.
I'm gonna launch myself.
Mm. Nice.
So that was my journey with her. Then
Mm.
her program Goddess Verse, Sister Verse, that I keep on doing. मैंने किए भी. Then as I told, I was a big sister. Amita Sherode, she was my client. Then she became my mentor. I became her
Nice.
student.
Amazing.